Hi guys, it's Sanam and welcome back to another Tipsy Duo production. So, did you know actually every year they use over 2 million strawberries and over 13,000 liters of cream just at Wimbledon during the tournaments? So, today we're not going to queue for the tournament and we're not going to watch a tennis, but we're going to make a cocktail inspired by the strawberry and cream, which is all over my feet these days. So put your racket aside and take your glass and place it over your net. First thing, before starting off, I would like to have a chilled glass. So add a couple of ice into your coupe. And put it aside. The next step is you need a couple of fresh strawberries. To do that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 3, cut these green bits off. So that's 1, that's 2, and that's the last one. And you need to grab your shaker. Perfect. So you drop these 3 into your shaker and start muddling. Just like how Sinner smashed Alcaraz yesterday in the finals. Perfect. Then you will need to grab your fresh cream. It might curdle, so I will probably advise you to use a coconut cream. I didn't have one, so I'm going to use just normal cream. Add 15 ml into your shaker. It smells so nice. Already it feels like I'm at Wimbledon. Then you need to grab your rum and add 45 ml into your glass. After that, you need your coconut juice, coconut water. I've actually bought this Vita Coco one, which has a strawberry flavor. I just wanted that intense strawberry smell into my cocktail. You add, oh, and it's pink, even better. And you add 60 ml into your glass. Finally, you will need to add some ice. Go. Put the lid on and start shaking. Shake it as if you're preparing to do the match yourself. Ooh, nice color. Perfect. It's all shaken. I'm gonna double strain this into my glass because like textures obviously matters and I don't want any bits of strawberry in my drink. Let me see if I can open it. Yeah. All open. And you can see already my glass is chilled. So get rid of the ice. You've got your perfect coupe chilled. Place it onto your net and strain it. Nice. Look at that color. It's like pinkish. It should remind you, I hope it should remind you of like strawberry cream mixture. And you can just garnish it with a strawberry. Yeah, voila. Here's our easy peasy cocktail for us at a comfort of our home rather than in a queue at Wimbledon watching tennis. You can just make this and probably enjoy it in your garden. So let's give it a taste and see how it tastes first. it's fresh, it's sweet, it's tropical because of the coconut, so it's perfect. You should definitely give it a try. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're the Tipsy Duo. Obviously, at Wimbledon, they stick to the tradition. The players were all white, but we're Tipsy Duo and we twist our cocktails and hope you guys enjoy it. Cheers, guys.